Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. Why did the multi-billionaire founder of IKEA strictly buy second-hand clothes? Why has Warren Buffett flatly refused to leave his 1958 modest house? How did a secret billionaire quietly erase 99.9% of his massive fortune? Why did George Washington walk away from supreme power to return to his farm? Why does the world's richest fashion mogul still eat in the employee cafeteria? Part 6. Wealth Retention Ability. 46. 8 cases related to wealth retention ability. Case 1. Ingvar Kamprad, IKEA's absolute frugality baseline. Despite commanding a multi-billion-dollar global furniture empire, Kamprad famously drove an old Volvo, flew economy, bought second-hand clothes, and stayed in budget hotels. By keeping his personal heart empty of vanity displays, he insulated his massive fortune from lifestyle inflation. Case 2. Warren Buffett, the Omaha residence consistency. Buffett has lived in the same 5-bedroom house in Omaha, Nebraska, that he purchased in 1958 for $31,500. By refusing to update his living arrangements to match his rising net worth, he kept his capital locked inside compounding engines. Case 3. Amancio Ortega, the corporate cafeteria routine. The founder of Zara and one of the world's richest men leads a quiet, intensely private life in Spain. He regularly dines in the standard company cafeteria with his employees and wears a simple uniform of a blue blazer and gray pants, none of which are Zara products. Case 4. Chuck Feeney, the secret depletion strategy. The co-founder of duty-free shoppers built a multi-billion-dollar fortune but chose to live like a monk, flying economy, wearing a $15 watch, and owning neither a house nor a car. He quietly transferred 99.9% of his wealth into a philanthropic foundation while remaining entirely anonymous for decades. Case 5. Keanu Reeves, the high-yield financial sanctuary. Despite earning hundreds of millions from blockbuster franchises, Reeves avoids the typical Hollywood estate and entourage trap. He frequently travels by public subway, lives in modest spaces, and passes massive portions of his earnings directly to behind-the-scenes film crews. Case 6. George Washington, the Mount Vernon Wealth Shield. At the height of his historical fame and influence, Washington rejected calls to become an autocratic ruler, choosing instead to step down after 2 presidential terms to return to his plantation. By walking away from political power, he preserved his private holdings and protected his family legacy from political downfalls. Case 7. Kirk Kerkorian, the low-profile Las Vegas kingmaker. Kerkorian shaped modern Las Vegas but rarely gave interviews, refused to attend public industry galas, and drove standard personal vehicles. His absolute rejection of public prestige shielded his massive gaming and automotive investments from competitive scrutiny. Case 8. Azim Premji, the Wipro operational thrift discipline. The Indian tech billionaire was legendary for driving a second-hand car, reminding employees to turn off lights at the office, and tracking toilet paper consumption at corporate headquarters. This deep personal thrift preserved Wipro's capital through multiple global tech bubbles. 47. For open-ended questions. How much of your annual spending is driven by a subconscious need to signal success to peers who do not contribute to your balance sheet? If your net worth doubled tomorrow, do you have a hard rules-based framework to prevent your living expenses from rising along with it? In what ways is your wealth exposed to legal, personal, or emotional vulnerabilities because your financial success is too visible? What specific percentage of your current monthly income is automatically moved into untouchable retention vaults before you can spend it? 48. For explanations. The reality of the unseen surplus. Staying rich has very little to do with how much money you make. It is dictated entirely by the gap you maintain between your actual income and your personal lifestyle footprint. The vulnerability of open display, flaunting your assets, displaying objects of desire, invites unnecessary attention, lawsuits, tax audits, and social parasites who want to separate you from your capital. The trap of status asset substitution, replacing high-yielding investment assets with depreciating luxury goods like exotic cars or high-maintenance properties, introduces heavy drag into your compounding machine. The emotional cost of leverage creep, allowing your fixed personal overhead to match your peak income months, turns you into a slave to your current revenue velocity, destroying your long-term strategic peace of mind. 49. For implementation plans. The radical wealth cloaking system. Structure your personal asset holdings through private trusts, holding companies, or anonymous legal entities to decouple your family name from public record databases. The fixed personal capital cap. Establish a hard maximum cap on your personal monthly living expenses, directing all excess incoming revenue into asset preservation accounts. The multi-jurisdictional capital vaulting plan. Diversify your liquid capital reserves across multiple top-tier asset classes and distinct financial jurisdictions to protect against localized systemic failures. The sunk-cost relationship audit. Systematically cut ties with personal and professional networks that encourage consumer spending, lifestyle comparisons, or high-risk financial behavior. 50. For implementation processes. 1. Calculate your baseline survival cost. Step 1. Audit your personal bank statements from the last 12 months to determine the exact amount needed to live comfortably without luxury add-ons. 2. Automate your savings structure. Step 2. Set up automated routing rules at your primary bank to sweep all income above your baseline survival cost into separate investment accounts instantly. 3. Anonymize your asset ownership. Step 3. Work with an asset protection attorney to move titled properties, vehicles, and brokerage accounts out of your personal name and into protective trusts. 4. Maintain complete personal discretion. Step 4. Commit to a lifestyle of quiet comfort, ensuring that your home, clothes, and public actions give no obvious clues about your actual net worth. 51. For actionable recommendations. Do not upgrade your primary residence or lease a luxury vehicle following your next major business victory or cash windfall. Keep your environment exactly as it is. Open a private, unlinked bank account at an entirely separate institution explicitly for your capital reserves, and do not carry a debit card for it. Politely decline all invitations to luxury industry galas or award ceremonies that serve to inflate your ego while draining your pocketbook. Build a non-disclosure agreement protocol for your personal life, ensuring that contractors, staff, and partners never discuss your financial affairs. 52. 4 to-do items. Review all credit cards and bank statements to identify and delete every personal luxury subscription you haven't used in 30 days. Meet with a trust and estate attorney to draft a simple asset protection framework for your liquid net worth. Remove all references to your specific financial milestones, revenues, or high-end acquisitions from your public social media profiles. Set a hard 48-hour cooling-off rule for all discretionary personal purchases that cost more than $500. 53. 4 practical techniques. The invisible millionaire habit. Practice dressing down and driving an understated, reliable vehicle to experience the security of moving through the world unnoticed. The income inflation freeze. Whenever your monthly income spikes, immediately adjust your automated savings rules to absorb 90% of the increase, leaving your lifestyle budget unchanged. The Shadow Ledger Tracking Matrix. Keep a private balance sheet that tracks your wealth solely by your liquid, income-producing assets, treating depreciating lifestyle assets as worth zero. The worst-case lifestyle baseline exercise. Spend 1 weekend a year living on the absolute minimum budget possible to prove to yourself that your happiness is independent of luxury spending. 54. 4 practical steps. 1. Determine your exact net monthly take-home pay. 2. Calculate a strict lifestyle budget that covers your core needs while leaving at least 30% of your income untouched. 3. Instruct your company payroll or primary merchant processor to split your incoming pay, routing the 30% surplus directly into a secure asset account. 4. Live exclusively on the remaining balance, treating the automatic investment account as money that simply doesn't exist for spending. If you want to master the art of the unseen surplus and protect your hard-earned capital from lifestyle creep like these low-profile icons, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss our tactical breakdowns of elite business strategies. Ready to implement your own radical wealth cloaking system and establish an unshakable capital cap? Head down to the links in the description below to download our free study materials and wealth retention handouts. While you are down there, click the exclusive link to access our free, advanced chapter, online tutorials, where we take you step by step through anonymizing your asset titles, working with trusts, and setting up automated savings structures. Finally, if you know a fellow creator, business partner, or friend who is currently suffering from serious lifestyle inflation or flashing their revenue milestones on social media, save their portfolio and share the video with friends who might need it. Keep your profile low, keep your asset fortresses high, and I will see you in the next case study. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.